Hello, everyone. This is Mind of the Rev. Uh, Technically, this is take two because I'm missing a piece, but I think I can work around it. Gonna attempt to. We'll see how long I go. Um, so, um, Last video, you saw me do this, finish these two pieces on there. Doesn't seem like a lot to accomplish in a 30-minute video, but reminder, it's very hot, so you might hear a fan in the background. Um, yeah. Be kind to yourself. You're the only you have. Not sure if that makes sense. I said that before. Anyways. I'm tired. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see this. Hmm. Okay, 58. Okay, let's see. Requires. Oh, I attach this. No, I don't. I think. Oh. Okay, let's see. Attach. Wait a minute. 58. Let's see. I attach this to here. And this little piece here, I think. Okay, and this little piece goes here. And I attach this little thingy right here. Okay, and that's 58. 59. How did I end up with... I attach this, that. Very simple thing, despite missing a couple pieces. Okay, 59. Let's see. Start with this little square. Dealy Bob. Dealy Bob, Dealy Bob. Nobody messes with the Dealy Bob. I don't know what I'm saying, Bob, because I'm tired as a Bob. I don't know what that even means, but I said it anyways. I am tired. I'm losing my mind. That piece can't go on there anymore. 59. And I move on to 60. Okay, let's see. going to be a little unusual since I'm missing pieces, but, you know, some of the best things in the world are a little unusual. 61. Okay, 61. 61. Why is this not working? I doubt it's... Let's see. Make sure I'm doing this right. Let me first attach this piece right here. Okay. Wait a minute. Ah, crap, I have the wrong piece. Let me see if... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It's probably why it didn't work. I just realized I am missing more pieces. I'm not missing them, I have them. I just have to find them in this thingy. Okay. This here. Clearly, I'm not thinking as clearly as I should because it's 11 o'clock my time on a Saturday, and I have to be up around 6 to take care of my dad's chickens so I can have time to get a shower and go to church, which I really probably need to go to. Let's see if it will fit, and let's see if I got this right. Okay. Ah, yes, right thing fit in the right place. Okay, that. Ah. Now I know I had the wrong piece, the wrong step, and I'm missing pieces. What the heck? Oh, I keep saying I'm missing pieces, but the reality is I'm not missing pieces as much as I didn't pull them out as I thought I did. Okay, let's see. Let's see, where are you? Where are you? I feel like that's a song, but I just don't know what it is. Don't know what it is. I don't know what anything is. That's 62. Now 63. I actually have all the pieces out for. So let's see if I can do this one correctly. Let's see, this goes in this piece, and this goes in. You know, it's strange what the mind goes to when you're tired. For example, for some reason, I've started rewatching a show, Boy Meets World, alongside with a podcast where it's the original three of the original cast members from the show. That's 63, and I guess because my mind is very tired, um, uh, something from the first season, which they just started the third season, and I'm finishing up the second season. Something I think from the first season, there was a character, Morgan, she was a little sister, I think she is. I think she leaves sometime in the third season and comes back as a different actress. But for a minute there, my mind for some reason went to this episode where, in the first season, where the older brother Eric was getting ready to work at the the store where his dad is a manager, and he was needing help tying the back of his apron, the tied on, and that for some reason the line that the little girl says, Morgan, came to my mind where she's basically tying because she's not actually tying, and it's like one bunny ear goes in the other bunny ear. And then, the older brother Eric turns around and says, and he's not, she, the older brother asks, something along the lines of, why did you say you could tie when you clearly can't? And the little girl said, I don't know, I'm ambitious, or something along those lines. I guess my mind is just tired. So I'm going to pause the video and get the next couple steps. Okay, hello again, and I'm sorry for skipping the thing. I wish I had a way to edit that out. So as I was going through looking for the pieces for the next couple of steps, a thought popped into my head. You ever did something and told yourself, future you will have to deal with it, so you don't have to worry about it currently? Well, apparently that's what I did. And okay, so I realized earlier, when I was going through the pieces, I didn't have what I needed, and I kind of told myself I would figure it out later. Well, I didn't count on later being now, so there's that. I digress. The heck? Why? Oh. Let's see. I will probably have to. Oh. Okay. This is where I'm at. And actually, the next couple of steps I did not get out. But I'm gonna try to just get them out as I need the pieces, so I can just keep moving on without having to stop. Okay, let's see. Mainly because I'm tired, and the sooner I get to a good stopping point, the better. Okay, now I put two pieces in here. There it is. I got the wrong piece. Okay, there's two pieces I need. And somewhere in this thing that you... One... Two... I will not fall asleep on video. That would be not good, because my thing would keep recording and I would. But I'm not so tired that I'm, would do that, I don't think. I know it's in here somewhere. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. Now, the next so many steps actually have ×2, so which is important for a step later on, but not important for anyways. Let's see, that goes with that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me look at the next. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is where that's a step. Okay, then 68. Need that. The other one's in here somewhere. Yep. That's not it. There it is. Okay, and then I need 2 of the gray pieces. These. Okay, let's see. So what do I do? Okay, 68. Oh, simple enough. I attach this piece and then this piece. Okay, and then do it again. Do. Like 2 feet. Feet. Okay. Oh, crab monkey. So I'm at another dilemma. I think. Okay. Let's see. So what I may end up doing, as I only have enough of these certain pieces for this one, for one of them, but I only use one. I don't think I have these pieces, which I bought some extra online. I just can't find the bag that they're in. I'll have to do some cleaning around to see if I can find them. But since wait a minute, was that? No, that's not it. Since I can't currently find those, and I want to be able to I will put one of these pieces aside and have to go to it later. Okay, let's see. So I put one here. Here. Oh. I am really tired. I'll do what I can on both of them, but at some point I will get to a point where I can't go any farther without having those 2 pieces, which I probably have some elsewhere, but I'm coming up to 10 minutes before I will end this video, so I will have to move on. Oh, crud. Oh, crud monkey. Okay, so that's 69. Okay, and because I'm only going to work on, I guess I can do 1, 2, and then that piece, and I think I can't, no, that's not the right piece. So, oh no, there it is. Okay, 70. So I put 1 here, 1 here, and I take this and I stick it right there, which I can't do on the other one yet until I have those pieces, and I'm not going to stop to look for them because I need to get this video finished as much as I can, get it uploaded to YouTube, well, unlisted. Okay. Okay, next I need, come on, stop. Okay, next I need to move on to the next point. And that, and this. Okay, now actually this, I move on to this piece. It's actually this goes right here. I keep on forgetting that I need to make sure I'm on screen. Well, that, you know. Okay, and then I attach this. Let's see. Yep. Okay. That's where we're at. Now, I'm guessing at some point I will make another one of these where I will hopefully not be missing any pieces. Okay, 72. And at this point, I'm no longer doubling up on things, so that would be a little bit easier. I need that. Okay, those. 2 of those. In theory, it should get easier as I get further through the steps because I'll have less pieces to go through. In theory. A lot of things work in theory. And I already forgot. Okay, that's... Oh, crud. Another one of those that I can't find. Okay, let's see. That. Okay, one up there. And the other one, does that need 2? Of course I need 2. Of course I need 2. I find one, and the other one, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. And then I need one of those little black pieces. I am aware that you have no idea what I'm talking about, but, you know, there you go. That might be another piece that, oh, well, no, wait a minute, I think I found it. Okay. And I continue work on this one, this piece, Okay, so, oh, wait a minute, no, okay, I make something and then, okay, let's see, I attach that, good. Oh, yeah. Okay, put that there, and one there, one there. Okay, let's see, then I take, okay, that's easy enough. Yeah. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Wait a minute. Something. Oh, right. Okay. Then I attach these two little pieces on here. Then I attach this. Thing. Let's see if that lines up. Yep, that lines up. That's where I'm at. I may be able to get. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like I'm done working on that piece. Let's see. One, two, 3. Okay. Where are you? I know you're in here somewhere. 4. And then 1. Okay, let's see. This goes here. This goes here. Let's do that twice. I may just go a little bit longer to at least finish up these pieces, whatever they are. Okay, now next I need 1, 2. I need 1, 2, 3, and 4. I need 1, 2. Come on, where are you? 3, 4. Okay. Now I take that and take. I really have to figure out how to get this thing so it focuses in correctly. Because it's kind of annoying. I'm watching this on my computer so I can see, and it's, you know, kind of hard to, kind of annoying that it doesn't focus the way it's supposed to. Are you on the right piece? Yeah. One of the things that I remember when I was a child, when I was much younger, was, did I do that right? Okay. That Legos were fun, but one of the frustrating aspects of Legos is that no matter how well you put them together, there's always a chance that they might fall apart. If while you're building, you have to kind of figure out where you were last at when it fell apart. As far as like like for example, this piece I'm currently working on, it it does fit, but it's kind of wonky. Um, okay, next I need one. Two of these. Crud. I think I found some pieces that I don't have. That I couldn't find. I don't know how important they are. Probably find out later on. I may have them in another barrel bucket, but you know. Ah! Yeah. They were kind of important. I'll have to do this a little bit different than what the instructions say because I don't have the pieces that I need to do this properly. Okay, okay, so yeah, turns out the pieces that I'm missing are actually quite important. May not be able to. Wait a minute. Oh, I need. Okay, let's see. If I'm doing this right. Okay, that piece is there. Oh. That piece. Let's see, I got that in there, and then. Huh. That's about as far as I can go currently. Without those missing pieces. Pieces and pieces. I think the fact that I'm having trouble finding the pieces I need is probably a good sign that I need to call it a day because, yeah, because I can't attach these last. Let me first see if there's a way that I can still attach them. Let's see. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to work something out to try to actually get this thing to work without those two missing, well, 4 missing pieces. So that goes on there. Then I attach, if I can find the right pieces to pieces. Okay, that goes there. It may work, possibly. It might be a little unstable. I can find the other. No, that's not it. Oh, there it is. Come on. Okay, let's see. Then I attach this piece, and then I attach this. I found a way without that piece. It may not be as stable as I would like, but you know, I'm working a way around it. Now I need to do this again. Okay. Despite my tiredness, I'm figuring this out. As long as I remember to get all the pieces of, you know, then I may be able to get to a decent stopping point and be satisfied with what I'm doing, will get done. I'm hoping that as I add more pieces to these things, it will be a little more stable with the unstable pieces. Okay, let's see, 77. Let's see, need... It's possible I'm missing, oh no, right, there's another one. Actually, I think I am missing one piece. Oh, I think I will. Okay, let's see. Get this one. Okay, 77. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, I attach this piece here to this piece here. Okay, and then I attach another piece there, and it goes there, and I attach that there. Yep, that works. And as I, nope. Yeah, I'll have to finish up the, oh boy. So many frustrations in not being able to have the pieces right in front of me that I need, that I will have to search for later. What I'll probably end up doing is just, before I do my next video, I will just, go back and, attempt to fix this stuff, off stream, so I can start fresh with new stuff. Okay, Beely Bob, which looks like I did not include in this two of them, and oh, I see it. Under my computer. All the annoying places it's ended up. Okay, let's see. So I put this little thingy right here, back here. And then I attach okay, then I flip it around 80 and I do the exact same thing. And and then it goes, this thing, how is this supposed to attach? Huh. Okay, I think, yeah. And I just attach these two pieces and hope that nothing fall apart. Okay, yeah. Let's see if I can get this last little piece 80. No, 81. Okay, let's see. That. Okay, I attach this in there. Then attach this. Right, that thing there. And then I attach it into the thing. I attached the thing. I know, that's so descriptive. And then it what oh, come on. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think that's, I'm gonna call it, because I'm at 45 minutes, just about. I will take a picture of this along with this for my Instagram to post when time gets there. I will probably approach some of those missing pieces when I start building essentially the second leg, I guess, because it looks like that's another step eventually after I get that. I wish I could say I can finish this tonight, but I am tired, and yeah. So I'm gonna call it.